Fishy's Big Splash, a salmon's journey. Deep in a cold, bubbly river, a tiny egg hides under smooth, round stones. This is where the story of Fishy the Salmon begins in his cozy river home. Inside the egg, Fishy grows and grows until, pop! Out he comes as a tiny baby fish. He has a little food bag on his tummy to help him grow strong. Fishy lives in a nest called a red. His mommy made it by swimming hard and waving her tail to move the gravel on the river floor. When he is a bit bigger, Fishy starts to explore. He loves to eat tiny water bugs and wiggly larvae that float past him in the clear water. As Fishy grows, his body changes color to silver. He feels a pull in his heart telling him it is time for a very long swim to the big blue ocean. The ocean is huge and salty. Fishy meets many friends here. He eats small shrimp and tiny fish to help him become a big, strong adult salmon. Salmon are very special because they can live in both fresh river water and salty ocean water. Not many fish in the world can do that. Fishy spends many years in the sea. He becomes very fast and powerful. His scales shine like silver coins under the bright sun. One day, Fishy remembers his old home. Even though he is far away, he uses his amazing nose to smell his way back to the very same river where he was born. The trip home is hard. Fishy has to jump over tall waterfalls and swim against the splashing water. He never gives up because he is a brave salmon. Nature needs salmon like Fishy. He is a helper. He provides food for big brown bears, swooping eagles, and even the tall trees along the riverbank. Now that he is back in the river, Fishy finds a mate to start a family. They work together to find the perfect spot with plenty of cold, clean water. The cycle starts all over again. Fishy's family lays new eggs in the gravel. These eggs will soon become tiny babies, just like Fishy used to be. Did you know salmon are like nature's recyclers? When their life journey ends, their bodies help the forest grow green and healthy for all the other animals. Fishy's story shows us how wonderful nature is. From a tiny egg to a silver ocean traveler, the salmon is a true hero of the water. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.